Thanks. New developments at 5. A man accused of rape faces a judge and a jury in the courtroom. Former Uber driver Felix Torres is accused of raping a woman after he drove her home to the Ashlar Apartments in South Fort Myers. Many people took the stand today, from deputies on the case to even the alleged victim herself, recounting the attack. Wink News reporter Annalise Iraola live at the Lee County Courthouse now. Annalise, you listened to a lot of the testimony. Describe the emotion on the stand today.
Chris, Lois, it varied from witness to witness, but the victim, who we will not show, bravely testified in front of her accused attacker, as well as the victim's roommate, another young woman who recounted the frightening night that the victim says her Uber driver, Felix Torres, raped her. The victim's gut-wrenching sobs rang out in court as her roommate's 911 call played in court.
And yeah, she was scratching all over her back. She was bleeding her hair and like. Okay.
Several emotional witness testimonies happened on the first day of Felix Torres' trial. Torres is accused of raping the victim after deputies say he was her Uber driver and dropped her off at her apartment more than 2 years ago.
She was crying and telling me that something happened, but I couldn't really make out what she was saying because she was crying pretty hard.
Ariana Scott, the victim's roommate at the time, spoke about the terrifying early morning hours on December 4th, 2022.
What did she tell you happened?
She told me that she was attacked outside behind the apartment building and that she was raped.
Felix Torres, shown here in court wearing a tan jacket, shook his head in the courtroom during trial Wednesday. His defense attorney questioned the victim's statements.
It's true that you may have been kissing him, you may not, right?
It would have been him forcing himself on me, not me kissing him.
This video shows the apartment parking lot. Lee County deputies say the man running is Felix Torres. He put on a mask, chased down the woman deputies say Torres had just dropped off at her home, covered her mouth, and raped her.
Did she say what she was doing while she was being raped?
She said that she was yelling and trying to kick him off.
The victim says she was able to kick him off, and that's when the suspect ran away. I spoke with state prosecutors who say they expect this trial to wrap up by tomorrow. I'll be here for the rest of trial and will bring you the latest updates. Live at the Lee County Courthouse, Annalise Iraola, Wink News.